Hey, what's up everyone? Today I just got a quick video on fixing the auto flipping problem on these cassette decks. So these cheap little AUX to cassette adapter things here. Basically when you put it in the car, it will flip between side 1, side 2, side 1, side 2, and it'll just keep doing that and keep doing that, and it won't play your music. So I'm going to show you how to fix that today. So basically you just need to separate this in half. So mine is held in with screws. Some of them might have tabs you got to press open, or screws, whatever you got to do just to pry this open and get to the inside. So all I did was pull the cover off, and you can see how it works here. Basically all we need to retain is these gears here and this piece here, and everything else can pretty much come out. So these gears here are what causes it to flip. So let's just take them out. It's also probably worth noting that in case you take something out you shouldn't, you might want to take a picture of everything beforehand and put the parts to the side just in case it doesn't work. Then you can at least put it back together and go from there. But yeah, let's get these parts out of here and put this thing back together. So just make sure everything is still lined up and where it needs to go, and then we can put this case back together and try it out. And before we put this back in the car, I also just want to make a quick note. If it's brand new and you haven't used it, sometimes there's actually a little sticker on here. Usually the ones I've bought have always had a little sticker on here, so you want to peel that off and then just rubbing alcohol or whatever, just kind of clean the gunk off, and then you might have better sound quality from that if you were having that issue as well.